Okay guys, this is the most exciting one so far. So it's not just clarification on 3, but this is where 3 meets 4. This one took me a little longer to channel and really understand. But this is what I've received. Okay, so this is where we're at. This is the dawn of Metatron's age. Going from 3 to 4. Our first angel appears at the bridge between 3 and 4. He teaches us how to connect in the dance of time-space. This has to do with what some have termed as your vertical stack. If you haven't already, check out Rion and Alexander on Unite the Collective. Amazing channel. Okay, anyway, so this stack is within a fractal shape, like a slide in an old-fashioned projector, but the shape of it's more tapered, like a cross-section. So here is the cubic shape, the menger sponge, this little blue thing. It has holes that are equal to pi, some of which, when viewed from the center diagonal cross-section, are Merkaba shaped. That was from Mathematical Impressions, the surprising menger sponge slice from the Simmons Foundation. This is the shape of our particular universe. As dimensions expand outward and upward, there will be a point when the sphere, the cube, and the pyramids have equal, and then infinite volume. This is why the hexagon is the first map of the circle. It is a cross-section of you. There are different placements in which one is or can be located in this fractal. One of these is outwards towards the smaller, faster-moving energies, like Pixie or Fae, for example, and one is facing in towards the center 0 point, around which the arch or archangels hold the border. It is the direction towards which the larger, slower-moving beings hold up the large arms of the fractal, whose soul our bodies can include planets and other gods, and etc. In these stacks, those with a round or spherical energy will attach to a cubic or grid-like structure, and those with a more angular energy will attach to a domed or spherical ionic structure. And the image I'm getting is like a droplet of water going onto a branch and kind of melting into it. The asexual or balanced in sexuality are more akin to the grid-like structure itself, which is composed of white light rainbow mercury, where the 4th dimension folds up to the light underneath or over top, stretching that film. This is where we edge out the darkness, the true leading edge. Those of us dealing with darkness, we sometimes get a bad reputation, but we're some of the strongest beings, like Spirit, whatever, wants you to know that our ascension and balancing is what is helping the consciousness multiverse to expand and grow. Like, we had to be tough to be the root of this film. Only the strongest are capable of penetrating this deeply down into the darkness. So never be hard on yourselves, they said. Your spime, or your slice of illuminated time, that I got from How to Imagine the 10th Dimension by Rob Bryanton. That's like the closest to what I'm visualizing as this root. And you are yourself projecting your movie into the 4D and above, so it gets bigger as it goes up. Alright, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed the crickets outside me. I hope that made some sense to someone. Okay, have a great time, soul family. Enjoy the rest of your days.